This is the Moen Adler 82604SRN, and this is a trim kit. And so what we did was we installed the shower valve, which is the Adler, and did all of our rough plumbing. But now we are going to install what you call the trim kit, which is the rest of it, which will be shower head, arm, and your handle, your cover. Yeah, so watch and learn. Basically, all you're going to need is some tape, and that's it. Everything else comes in the box. You'll need a pair of channel locks. I'll show you that in a minute. A Phillips head screwdriver. And you've got two screws you'll be putting in. One up here, one down here. So the first thing we want to do, of course, is put our plate on there, our cover plate. All right. We have two screws. Folks, there is no heat in this house and it is very, very cold. So you want to kind of jiggle it around, move it around and feel. And you'll be able to feel it kind of slide in that threaded hole. And once you get it in there, pull it back just to make sure it's in. Do the same thing down below. Oh, missed it. Let's try it again. Oh, there she is. Now you can use a Phillips head screwdriver or a drill. I don't recommend you use a drill. I think you should use a Phillips head screwdriver just so you have better control and you don't damage anything. But we're going to go ahead and use the drill. Be very careful. All right. Now you want to get it good and snug, but you don't want it super tight, that's for sure. All right, so we are going to install, it's basically the temperature, I guess you would call it the temperature gauge. And this, we'll put this on there. This will keep your handle from going so far over to where it is just scalding hot. So it is just a safety mechanism, and it is to basically keep the handle from going over there, burning a child or whoever. Now it has these little ridges, and you'll see why we need those. But first, we want to install this piece here. Now, I'm sorry, I don't know the names of these pieces. But, yeah. So this will go on there first. This will go on there second. And that black one here will go on there last. All right, so let's get this on there. So when you put this on, of course, you see your little thing here. You see this part of it here. This part of it here will slide into this part here. And so we want, this is rigid in here, and we want this part poking towards us. So let's slide her in. Now she's going to be just a little tight, but it'll fit, and push it in all the way. And then we're going to take our temperature mechanism, and we've got these lines here. It's rigid. See it? they're going to slide into these slots right here. So this is slotted and this is rigid. I guess that's how you would say it. Now, you can put this any way you want it. Now, if I put it straight up and down like this, it's going to allow me to take that handle and turn that handle all the way over. Let me show you. What it's going to allow me to do is go all the way over to here. And so you can adjust this to whatever you want it. Boom, boom. So if you want it hotter, if you want it not so hot. So if we did it here, it's going to, let me show you. So let's just temporarily let's just slide this in here. Just for a minute, let's get this on here. Okay, so that's going to allow us to go this far and not this far. See how we got it set? Let's take it off. So let's take it and move it down this way. Boom. See that? Start out here, and that'll take you all the way over. And then if that's too hot, then you can adjust it right. That's clockwise. So if this is the kids' bathroom, you're going to want to keep it from being so hot. Boom, right there. So it doesn't get so hot. All right, we'll let the homeowner deal with this, and we'll just put it here for now. All right, so that's all set. And so let me show you this. See the inside of that? See on the bottom? This right here slides into that there. So we want to put this on our valve just like so. Now once we get that on there, boom, we want to get into our package and find our screw. Now you've got two screws. You've got a Phillips head, and that's the one that goes in here. And then you've got your Allen wrench head, and that's the one that holds the handle to this. We'll mess with that in a minute. All right, so let's take our screw, Phillips head, and let's do it to it. Now what this is going to do, what this screw is going to do, is going to attach this black piece to your stem coming out, which is going to hold all three pieces together. All right, so we're going to get our package, our handle. We're going to pull out our Allen wrench that comes with all of this, which is very nice. And then we're going to get our little screw out, if we can get it out. All right, so we're going to slide it on. Make sure she's seated really good. There she is. Now here's what I do. I don't go up under there trying to put that in. I put it on my Allen wrench and then slide it up in there. Let me show you. There we go. All right, get her good and snug. Now don't over tighten it and break it. All right, now hang on to this. Don't lose it. All right, so let's go up top and let's put the shower arm on there. All right, so this can go either way. Now, this is the most popular way. This is the way it is designed to be put on. And that's how we have it in the other bathroom that we just installed. This one we're going to install like so. The reason why is because it's going to give us, as you can see, this fits like that. It's going to give us a little bit of height. And because this man is tall, and this is the master bathroom, we're going to make it as high as we can get it and do it like that. That looks a little funny, but it gives you a little more height, a little more room to get up under it. All right, and so we're going to put our tape on here, and we don't need a ton. So, not like this, but like this. Okay. All right, so let's put our shower head on there. Well, before we do that, so let's put our scutcheon on there, and that covers up the whole. Boom. Shower head. Look, you're gonna be tempted to put a pair of channel locks on this and tighten it, but don't do that. You don't need to do that. We do want to tape it with plumber's tape.
we go, folks.